My name is Aron D'Annunzio, and I'm from the most beautiful Emerald City of Seattle. And this is my first Open Heavens conference. Came with a group of 3 other friends that felt like they're supposed to come, so we all traveled down together. And when I was 2, I rolled off the changing table and broke my right hip. And I've never paid much attention. It didn't really cause a lot of issue, or so I thought. And in my 20s, my chiropractor was like, "Dude, your leg is like 2 inches shorter." And so I wore a shoe lift and it was like always in some kind of constant pain, but that's what I knew. It's what I knew. And I stopped wearing my shoe lift about a year ago, just like my body's going to balance out, but always walked a little bit wobbly, I would say. And it was just bad through even session, and I felt they asked if anyone wanted prayer for healing, and I rose my hand, and then they got people together, and I didn't tell them it was my hip or my leg. I knew my leg was shorter. I didn't say anything. I just said I have back pain and hip pain. And the gentleman said, "Sit down in this chair," and he put my feet up, and he was like, "Look, your leg is shorter." And he said, "In Jesus," and I just started bawling, and my leg grew. Simple as that. It just wasn't, there's no method to it, except he's just said it, "In Jesus' name," and it grew out.
How much did it grow?
2 inches. Literally 2 inches, and my feet are completely straight now.